Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth MotorCars. Today, showcasing a very unique Bronco, I would say. 1975 Ford Bronco, of course, in the pink. This guy is not factory. This guy does have a new Gen 3 Coyote with a 6R80 6-speed behind it. Drives just like a brand new Bronco, man. Absolutely nothing else like it, especially in this color. Really, really cool. But let's take a look here, man. Look at the side profile right here, guys. Everything has been upgraded on this suspension-wise on here. New shocks, leaf springs, bushings, James Duff 4-link in the back. Interior-wise, of course, the whole thing has been gone through. New seats, door panels, custom digital gauge set on there, new steering wheel. I mean, absolutely gorgeous car, man. You know what they say, real men wear pink, and I'd drive this thing anywhere, honestly. It drives really, really good. It's a cool 911, man. Yeah. Anyway, back to the Bronco on here. Velocity build truck in the pink, drives just like a brand new truck. Everything done to it, interior, AC, digital gauges. I mean, it is super, super cool, especially on a day like this, bright and sunny. It's not too hot. Perfect truck for this weather. Anyway, let's go take it for a spin and see how well this Bronco does. Let's go. Starts right up, no problems. Let's get some AC going in here. This guy does have brand new vintage air AC in it too. Retro sound radio, Bluetooth audio on this guy. Just like, basically this is like a brand new 2026 Bronco with the old school body on it. It's the best way that I can describe it. Powertrain, everything like that. It's just super, super nice. It's pretty quick. This is absolutely a truck that you need to drive on a day like this. Bikini top or no top, windows down. Absolutely gorgeous truck, man. And I really do think in my lifetime of working at Earth, I think I've seen maybe one other pink Bronco and it's sold just like that. This truck is super, super cool. I would call this thing a great beach mobile, just a weekend toy. I mean, you take this to a car meet, you're gonna see Mustangs, you're gonna see Camaros, of course, you know, who else is gonna have a pink Bronco, right? Especially with the Coyote in it. Driving wise, again, I always point this out. One finger on the steering wheel, you can move the wheel back and forth. Super, super easy to drive. We're doing about 50, 55 right now on this back road. I can let go of the steering wheel and we're going straight. I mean, drives just like a modern car, guys. All right, let's see. It definitely has the power of a Coyote if you get on it. I'm surprised, even for this big truck, it still gets a little squirrely, but man, it just drives good. It really, really does just drive good. A little bouncy. That's the one thing I gotta say. All these Broncos with these big tires are a little bouncy, but that's what you get whenever you have a 50-year-old vehicle, even all modern suspension and everything like that. But I can't complain at all. You're driving this thing, you're just smiling the whole way home. A few little points I think I already hit on, I just want to reiterate again too. I'm driving right now, it's 80 degrees outside. I've got ice cold AC blowing on me, Bluetooth audio ready to go, full digital gauge cluster, everything works. Horn works, I mean, just like everything that you can do to a truck, this thing has been gone through and done. Take a look at the back too. I mean, look at those seats, look at that interior, full custom panels, carpet, everything like that. Absolutely gorgeous truck, guys. Another thing too I want to point out, this is kind of the little details that we try to do. A lot of these Bronco tops that you buy from Tom's Off-Road and stuff like that, they flap in the wind like crazy. We're doing 45 miles an hour and look at it. Can't even hear it moving. It's super, super tight. I mean, it's just like the quality of this build, I would say, is one tier above. It's the next level. It's super, super nice. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's Bronco. Very unique build, super pink. Come in, take it for a spin. Let me know how many eyeballs you get looking at you driving this thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.